Well done, Abby. Anya, what do you think of Abby's performance tonight?
Oh, I love that. I had to stand because that's a mega hard song to sing. You just made that look so easy. I've sung that song myself. I know how hard it is to get your timing and your breathing, and you just nailed it. You've got such a powerful voice as well. Nice tone. And I can tell you're very musical. I'm excited to see what you could give. It was awesome. Well done.
Kelly, what do you think?
I went to stand, but the floor was really slippery and I couldn't get out. I kind of went back in my chair. But I thought that was fantastic audition, it really was. Everything about how you performed that was from like your breath control and the range. I think that song really suits you. You've got a really lovely, old, classy tone to your voice. And I thought it was a really clever choice for you to bring to an audition. It is a really, really hard song to sing, and I just thought that you absolutely nailed it. It was brilliant. Well done.
It's quite interesting actually, Abby, because if I remember rightly, it was one of the last applications. I think it was the last couple of days you applied, or somewhere around that. So it was very last minute for you to apply. And sometimes I always find that when we have people apply very last minute, they tend to be outstanding. And you know, I don't know if you've been told this before, but you're so far advanced for your age. Because how old are you again, by the way?
15.
15. You know, for your age, how you just presented yourself vocally and things was just absolutely fantastic. It was amazing to watch. And I wasn't expecting it because of your image. You seemed quite poppy and quite indie, alternative. And then this musical theatre, powerful voice came up. So the image was very interesting, the combination, how you blended it. I got a question to ask. Obviously, is this just this one style of music you do, or do you do a variety of stuff? And
Well, I mainly focus on musical theatre, but I do other types of songs as well.
fab stuff, because I can hear that your voice can go a lot of different places. That's what I said, if you haven't done that sort of thing yet, different styles, it's worth looking at that too, because your voice is very versatile in how you throw it. So yeah, that was an amazing start. I really, really enjoyed that. I was blown away actually. Well done, smashed it. Well done, Abby. Round of applause for Abby.